Hi, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter, and in this video we're gonna check out a few tools within the UniConverter 14 that will help you create better vlogs. Making vlog videos has become very popular. Lots of people do it as a hobby to document their lives, as well as a profession to make money. Or both. That's the best, right? Mostly because of the financial aspect of it, it's very tempting to start your own. So if you're thinking the same but you know absolutely nothing about vlogging, let me share 4 essential tips with you so you could get started. Number 1. Start with your phone and don't worry about expensive cameras like that one. It's all about lighting. Filmmaking, which is of course another level, is often referred to as painting with light. So I think that tells us how important lighting is. Now, to get good lighting without expensive equipment, get use of natural light. Always film with your face facing the natural light and not the other way around. Good audio is also very important. Sometimes it's even more important than the video quality. Sometimes it's really hard to record audio due to the conditions that surrounds you, but if you pay attention to them, for example, you don't film in wind or in a crowd, the audio that your phone can record will be perfect for starters. Now the third would be an idea. I obviously can't help you with that, but in all cases, make sure that the first 15 seconds of the video is very interesting. Do that by teasing the audience with something that might happen later in the video. And I don't know if you noticed, but I'm also showcasing you how important lighting is, because now it's coming from behind me and now it's facing me, and this obviously looks much better. And by the way, this entire thing was recorded on my phone. And the fourth essentiality is a software that you're gonna edit your videos with. The Wondershare UniConverter will give you all the tools that you need for a polished vlog. So let's see what you might need to do. If you open the UniConverter, you will find the video editor tool on the homepage or within the tools menu on the left side. Import your file or files by clicking right here. Let's begin with trimming. Cut out all the unneeded parts of the clips. You move the cursor to the in and out points and then click on the scissors icon. And then select the part you want to delete and click on the trash icon. Make sure to always have Merge All Segments turned on so the clip will remain one single file. Within the Effects menu, you can manually modify the colors of the clip or choose a preset from the preset effects. In case you'd like to add a watermark to the video or subtitles, you can do that as well, including changing the speed of the video. And then last but not least, enhance the audio quality by removing background noise, for example. Do this with all your segments. When you're done, add your intro or outro animations if you have them. And then down here, select an output folder and then an output format. And very important, check the Merge All Files option. This way, all of these clips will be merged into one single video. And finally, click on Start All. After it's finished, you'll find your video under the Finished tab as well as in your chosen folder. And that's it! Now you have the basic knowledge to kick off your vlogging career. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you stay up to date with the latest UniConverter features. That's it for today, and I am going to see you in the next video.